Welcome to Skillsoft Percipio, the intelligent learning platform designed for one purpose: to make it easier for you to refresh your current skills and embrace new ones. As a professional, you're looking for high-quality learning content that will help future-proof your skill set in areas ranging from DevOps and design thinking to blockchain and leadership. With Skillsoft Percipio, you'll access an expansive yet personalized blend of self-paced learning, virtual live courses, and digital coaching, all to help you prepare for whatever challenges lie ahead. When you log in for the first time, you'll select the skills you'd like to build, and you can always update these later by accessing your profile. Your personalized homepage is where you'll search for and experience new learning content, including any required assignments. And whenever you come back to the Percipio platform, you can resume activities you've already started, access content you've saved to your playlist, and launch highly relevant content based on Skillsoft recommendations. We curate all of our content into what we call channels. Think of a channel as a container full of just the content items you need to become proficient in a particular skill. We handpick each item based on our analysis of big data, which shows us trends and specific skills global companies look for in their employees. You'll find channels for agile principles, overcoming unconscious biases, virtual collaboration, Python, security, and many others. No matter what skill you're looking to master, channels give you everything you need to know. The goal is to let you spend more time building skills and far less time wondering, is this the best content for the topic? You can also take advantage of content to help you prepare for certifications from global leaders in information technology and sponsors of best practices in business processes, such as CompTIA, PMI, AWS, and Microsoft. The fastest way to explore what's available is to start from the homepage, click the library button, then look under the certifications submenu. But it's not only about what you want to learn. We believe how you want to learn is equally as important. Skillsoft partnered with MIT and Accenture to research how the brain processes and retains information. Our scenario-based course content is informed by this research and proven to improve understanding. In Skillsoft Percipio, you choose your learning experience. Depending on your preference on any given day or night, you can watch videos, read books, review summaries, listen to audiobooks, and even practice your skills in low-stakes, hands-on coding labs. You may choose to consume content entirely on your own. You may also attend live courses along with leader camps and tech boot camps to access timely, real-world insights from leading experts and collaborate in scheduled virtual classrooms. At Skillsoft, our ambition is to help you sharpen your current skills, dive into new ones, and feel confident that no matter what professional challenges present themselves tomorrow, you'll be ready.